Hello, Can Do Guy here. This video is for you guys that have an older UTV. This happens to be a Polaris RZR S model. It's a 800 EFI. This is particularly for the windshield. Might help somebody to help install them. I was going to show you how the brackets are in here, placed on. And there's your lower panel that goes across. There's the lower strut, which goes up here to the upper strut. And this is the upper brace, lower brace. Those are the screws that tightens it down. As you can see, here's the center catch. That is the upper catch. Left strut. You see how it's put on. Let's pull it down here. It is kind of hard to pull. She snaps right down. Snaps in. That's the way it's supposed to look. Like I said, this is for the older UTVs. This happens to be a 2009 model Polaris SRX, the S model. Here's what it looks like shut. Of course, there is the symbol for the place we purchased it. It's called Super ATV. The S stands for Super. Also, I had just put in a brand new left tail light. It takes three screw places, two on the right and one on the left. It just unplugs. And that's pretty much it. You see how this lines up? Nice and lined up and all that good stuff. This has the 4 screws here. The strut goes up to the top. This bottom strut, right side here and left side both, these are connected with the strut, and you have to put it on this brace. And of course I do have a roof on it. And as you can see, it does clear the roof. I did put a level across here, and it is level. Okay, well, there you go. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.